to my channel. My name is Paul and I am a car enthusiast. So this channel is all about my cars and my projects, and we're going to kick off with this car. So, a little bit about me. I like Audis. I like Audis a lot, and I've chosen the TT because it's a good car, it's a fun car, there's quite a few of them around, and although I've picked that TT, it has some issues, and I wanted this site to represent the kind of things that you would find and issues that you would find when trying to fix up a car. So the car has got a few issues. I'm going to talk you through some of those issues so you can see for yourself, and hopefully this will represent the kind of real world scenarios that that you're going to come across. So really the plan is to get this car looking like kind of showroom condition, but not fully blown showroom, if you know what I mean. Going to take out the rear seats and make it a bit of a sport as well, so the TT Sport. So the car is actually a 3.2 TT, so it's got a VR6 engine. There's only 795 of those left in the UK, would you believe? So it's becoming more of a classic every day. There's a few things that need to be fixed. I'm going to take you around and you're going to see what those things are now. Now when you look at this car, there are a number of things that are not quite right with it. Let me take you for a little tour and show you the things that need to be fixed in the car. So for example, the windscreen wipers, they don't work. Gonna need to replace those. Well, actually not the wipers, the motor. So at the moment I can't drive the car in the rain. The wheels, well, I like these wheels, but look at these and they are really badly scratched, and I could get them repaired, but I could probably get some replacements a lot cheaper. Yeah, if you look at the rear, these are the rear brakes, and as you can see they are really gone. I mean, they are really badly pitted, and this is the side where the caliper is not working, so it doesn't even grip. So those won't fail an MOT, but they will fail an MOT. But really, do you really want to be driving on this looking that bad? I don't think so. So they're gonna go. So at the moment the car's already doing very short distances. I'm not even using it to commute because it's well, I don't want to be driving on those brakes while they are in those conditions. So they're going to be changed really soon. The driver's mirror doesn't work and kind of loose as well, so that needs to be sorted out. Also a little bit of rust here and there. Well, all in all, it's a good looking car. Oh, let's take a look inside. There's a few things inside that also need to be sorted. So this car also suffers from the dreaded dash pod issue, where the central dial here, as you can see, that kind of goes. So this one has gone. And then the seats in the car, the seats are okay, they're actually in pretty good place, but they're dirty and I've tried to clean them, but they need really to be recoated, so I'm gonna do that. And then the back there, I got the seats down at the moment, because why do they put rear seats in an Audi TT that you can't get anyone in the back? I mean, really? 2+2? It's a two-seater Audi, come on, you know that. So I'm gonna do the rear seat delete kit. I'm ordering a rear seat delete kit for this car, which should make it a little bit more rigid, but also it just gives the car that classy look. So I'm going to be taking you through that. We'll be taking those seats out, recovering them, and then making a platform for the rear seat delete there. I might even put a speaker or two in there, because unfortunately this 3.2 didn't come with the Bose sound kit, but it did come with a fancy Sony radio, which doesn't work too well. Well, it does, but only works if you plug it in and then it doesn't turn off, which isn't so cool. But it's got a radio and it plays, but it's not all that great, so needs to go. So it's gonna go. Yeah. Whatever. So a few things need to be done in the car, but other than that, the car really does sound well. It sounds really good, and it's a V6 engine, so it's kind of unique. But the plan is to spend a good 6 weeks doing the car up, and I'm going to take you through each of the stage. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the brakes, because the brakes on this, like I said, they need to be replaced. Not only the calipers, but also the discs as well. So I've already ordered those in. Those are here already. Let me show you those. Okay, so these are the brakes that we've got for the rear. So we've got a pair of standard rear parts for the car, and then I've got a set of decent brake pads. We've got Bembros, which are gonna be a massive improvement on the standard. I've also got a pair of calipers to fit on the car, because like I said, the ones that are on there, they are seized on one side, so it's only stopping on one side at the moment. So figured rather than get a second-hand one, we're talking about brakes here, so you can never be too careful. So I've bought a pair of calipers, so we'll replace both sides with both of the discs and the brakes, and that should take care of the braking. So that's it for this video. That's an introduction to the car, so thank you for viewing that. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be taking the brakes apart and replacing those with those new shiny items I showed you earlier. So look forward to seeing you soon, and don't forget to subscribe, and also leave some comments. Tell me what you'd like to see in the next videos, what little jobs that you like to see being done to the car in terms of fixing up and also tuning. So we'll see you soon. Take care.